How to completely remove your printer driver from your PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can completely uninstall your printer driver from your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your device manager. Search for device manager in your search bar and open it up. After you open it up, here you should find an option that should say printer. So after you find printer, you can expand on it and here you can simply remove everything. Right click on your printer driver and tap on uninstall device. You can do that as well. The other thing that you can do is head over to your run and simply search for MMC, or you can directly go to printer management.msc. After you go to this option, hit enter, and if it does not open up, make sure that it's already uninstalled. And yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.